Welcome to the beautiful island of Olly. Here you can see the locals on the beaches trying to make a living for themselves. Unfortunately, no living things can live in these waters. The secret is the acidity levels in them. That makes Olly a great place for nothing to grow and prosper. As you can see, the sun's coming out. Oh. There goes that bit.
This is amazing. Man's oldest fantasy. Across a sea of stars, look up in the sky. It's a bird.
Caw-caw, 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 caw-caw.
It's a plane. No, it's a
The lighting nomad. See my beams of light. Bask in my shade. Ahoy. It's fucking hot. I'm hungry.